How to hide online status on WhatsApp. First of all, launch WhatsApp application on your device. Ensure to log into your account. Tap three dots at top right corner of the screen and select Settings. On Settings page, select Privacy option. You need to locate the section of Who can see my personal info. Select Last seen and online option. As we have already said to nobody. If the option is set to everyone, you need to tap on nobody, and who can see when I'm online option, you need to tap same as last seen so that it will be set to nobody, and your online status on WhatsApp will be hidden even if you are online on WhatsApp. So that is how we hide online status on WhatsApp. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.